Hello and welcome to this YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make merch for free. You don't have to pay anything. Okay, let's go into it. First you want to go to streamlabs.com like this. You want to log in. I'm already logged in, so you want to choose Twitch or YouTube. You want to choose the platform you stream on. I use Twitch. You want to go to merch. As you see, I already have a merch here. Link in the description. You want to add a product. You can choose from this stuff. I want to choose upperwear for like to show you. I want to choose this hoodie. I choose blue color. Upload the logo. You can choose from the computer. I'm gonna use something I already have in. So let's say I use this monk ass emote. I can like have it. I can make it bigger. Rotate. Let's say I want it like this, right? Then you can choose if you have a limited edition, you choose this. If you want to, if you only like you're gonna show you only have 10 left of this, you choose. Um, I don't want to choose any of this, so I take it off. You give it a name. Call it Monka's hoodie. Okay, as you see here, you can choose the price, but it has to be over $40 and it has to be below $50. So I'm gonna take it 45. That means I will make $5 on this, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay anything because some money goes to Streamlabs and some money goes to you. It's like that because you are selling it, so they make money as well. If you go for only $40, you will make almost nothing. So I'm gonna choose $45. Gonna save it. As you see here, I only have merch. So let's go over to my shop. It will be in this yellow box. You just click your link. As you see here, there is some merch I already have. The one I made. If I'm gonna refresh now. Okay, it should pop up, but anyway, it will pop up. It will. um, you can, if you go to my shop, you can press donate money. It's the same as donating at Switch. And if you want to buy the merch, you like you take your size. Like say I have a large, just add it. Check out your address, email, phone, and state, and yeah, like that, and it will be shipped to you. It's a very good quality actually. I heard it. Um, yeah, that is the tutorial. You can. I will have the links for all of this in the description. You can always. You can also download the app that I will have in the description below as well. It's like this. It's the same almost. You can record. You stream with it. Yeah, you can do almost everything. You can do the same merch thing stuff here. You see. Um, yeah. So guys, please subscribe, like video, comment down below if you want to. All the links will be in the description. Peace out.